Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to GM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, English of Prep Class. Dear students, today we will learn two new words, we and they. Let's see how to use them. Look children, scene number 1 में देखिए, two friends smiling together. These two girls are friends. One girl says, I am Saima. The other girl says, you are Huma. Now together, they says, we are friends. We use we when we talk about ourselves together. जब हम अपनी ज़ात से मुतल्लिक इकट्ठी बात करें तो हम we का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Say it with me. We means me and my friend. Example, we play together. We go to school. We eat lunch. Students, scene number 2 में देखिए teachers and student in class. Now look at this picture. The teacher are saying we are teachers. Two teachers हैं जो कि बच्चों को बता रही हैं कि we are teachers. Children sitting in the class. We says they are our students. So teachers क्या कहेंगे? They are our students. So student, we use they for other people when we talk about more than one. They का इस्तेमाल हम दूसरे लोगों के लिए करते हैं जब वो एक से ज्यादा होते हैं. एक से ज्यादा चीज के लिए they का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. Say it with me. They are playing. They are singing. They are my friend. Very good. Now you learn today we and they.